Hi, my name is Sara Zayed, and I'm a second-year medical student at NYU. And today I wanted to talk a little bit about Dr. Weiss's influence on me and on the broader community. I was fortunate enough to be Dr. Weiss's medical scribe and then medical assistant for 2 years. And going into his practice, I sort of had this broad idea of how lifestyle medicine could influence patients, but it wasn't until I worked with him that I realized just how important it was to tweak plant-based nutrition and lifestyle medicine to each individual patient to really make sure that they were getting the very best care they could. His work at Ethos really underscored why primary care is so important. So after my experience with him, it really solidified that I too want to go into primary care, and I also want to use lifestyle medicine and plant-based nutrition in my future practice as a way of helping patients on the individual level, because primary care really is the bedrock of the healthcare system. But beyond that, what's really wonderful and unique about Dr. Weiss is his medical practice sits on a 342-acre farm. It's probably the most unique medical practice in this country because in addition to teaching patients about lifestyle medicine and plant-based nutrition in his practice, there's also regenerative agriculture going on right outside his window, which means that all the produce grown on the farm is grown entirely using regenerative methods. Dr. Weiss sees the entire picture. He doesn't just see why it's important to treat patients on an individual level with the information he has. He doesn't just see why it's important to take care of the planet and climate. And he doesn't just see why it's important to visualize the healthcare system and how we can sort of tinker with it to make it a system that works for everyone. He sees the entire picture, and he really built his practice around the idea that if we can heal the earth and heal individuals, we can really make for a healthier country, a happier country, a more productive country, and a country that really cares about its neighbors and community.